This is Sean with the National Weather Service with an update on the weather expected for today into this weekend. First, let's take a look at the big story of today is the smoke that's been affecting the area. This is actually coming down from a series of wildfires throughout Canada and parts of the western U.S. and bringing us those hazy skies along with even a bit of a smoke smell in the air. Here's a look at where it's coming from. All of these red dots that you see across the map here in central Canada and throughout portions of the west are all contributing to the smoke, which was actually pulled down here into southern Wisconsin behind a cold front the other day and remains there at the moment. It may take a little while to get the smoke out of here. In fact, we may even see some of it stay around because looking at this, which is a sounding, which we use to look at the atmosphere, showing the temperature and winds and what's going on with height, we can see as we get close to the surface, this red line right here that is kind of pulling away to the left shows that temperatures are decreasing with height, getting colder as we get close to the ground, which is known as a temperature inversion. That tends to keep things very stable and keeps the lower part of the atmosphere from mixing a lot at night. So if we do happen to have any of that smoke trapped down in there, it may take until late tonight or tomorrow morning before we finally get it out of here. We'll have to keep watching the forecast as well because periodically we could see a chance for the smoke to come back, and we'll keep an eye on that also. But now let's get to the weekend because it looks great. We're looking for very pleasant temperatures, a little bit on the cool side, but still nice. No rain chances. Highs on Friday ranging from about 65 in the east with a little bit of a cool breeze off the lake to the lower 70s in the west. It looks cool Friday night, down into the 40s for inland areas, so you want to prepare for that. And then heading into Saturday, highs in the 70s, warming to around 80 degrees on Sunday. So great weather for the holiday weekend, and that will continue into Monday as well. Outside of our area, we're keeping an eye on the tropics. Hurricane Irma is churning out in the Atlantic and could potentially be a threat to the United States at some point down the road. However, where it goes is still yet to be seen, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Thanks for joining us. Remember, you can follow us in any of these ways to get information from the National Weather Service, and have a great weekend.